Hi there, everyone. Happy 4th of July weekend. I'm King Five meteorologist Adam Claybon, and yes, it's expected to be a very beautiful weekend. We are going to have clouds, and those will stick around primarily during the morning, and most of that on Saturday morning for 4th of July. Sunday should be clearer earlier on, and we're going to see more of that sunshine as we go throughout the day, too. And temperatures are going to be very close to their seasonal averages, which are in the mid-70s. And so let's go ahead and talk about the forecast for 4th of July. And this is what we're expecting to see clouds during the first half of the day, and that will extend to maybe the first few hours of the afternoon, but the sunshine should take over. We warm up into those mid-70s, and by the evening, fireworks shows starting to go off at about 10:30, and we'll be back down into the 60s at that point. So maybe have something to cover the arms. A bit cool at that point, but maybe enough airflow that we're going to see a lot of the smoke around the fireworks be able to move along and not continue to stick around where the fireworks are exploding and really limit our viewing of those displays. So again, good news there. Very comfortable here as we head on into the weekend, and good to see a little more of that sunshine. And yes, the Mariners going to be home here as we head throughout the weekend. So Saturday and Sunday against the Blue Jays. Expecting to see areas of clouds in the morning. We'll see that begin to break down as we head into the afternoon, and more sunshine as we head on into Sunday. Highs for both days will be in the 70s, but you can see first pitch a bit earlier, going to be a little cooler with those clouds earlier on Saturday. Sunday's game should be in the lower 70s. And then an off day heading into Monday, and an off day just in time because we have the USA men's soccer team coming into town, going up against Belgium later on that evening. We'll talk about that in a bit, but check out that high temperature. Getting up to 81 degrees, but that will be the peak of the warmth that we're going to deal with here over the next 7-day stretch. Starting to see those numbers fall back down into the mid to lower 70s by the middle and latter part of the week, and some showers could be around too as we head on into Wednesday. Let's talk about what's happening now. You can see definitely just noticing a few of those light showers with a weaker system that's moving through parts of BC, and that will continue to find its way on through here, but that's also going to really help to instill and bring about more of that onshore push, which is helping with the cloud development here for early into Saturday morning. That's gradually going to decrease, but you can see 7 o'clock early Saturday, seeing some of those clouds in place, giving way to more sunshine by about 1 to 2 o'clock into the afternoon, and it should be very clear, if not completely clear, as we head on into the evening at about 6 or 7 p.m. More clouds throughout the overnight, and those, again, will start us off early into Sunday, but won't stick around for as long and should get out of here and give way to more sunshine, meaning a slightly warmer day heading into the day on Sunday, and things getting even warmer by the time we get ready to roll on into the day on Monday, which is going to be a big day. Check out that matchup. USA, Belgium here at Seattle Stadium. Later on into the evening, 5 p.m. is when we're going to see that game start off, or that match start off, and you can see temperatures will be right around that 80-degree mark around that point. And looking at what's going to be happening for the remainder of the 7-day period, just a few more clouds beginning to build back into the picture for us after Monday, because Monday should be pretty much nothing but sunshine. That's why we get so warm. System coming in from off of the Pacific there, mainly spinning up that way into BC, but it will spin some moisture our way and start to increase some of the shower chances into more of the day on Wednesday. We'll get a few light showers out of that. That will finally work its way on off towards the east. So Thursday and Friday, looks like we'll keep some of those showers off to the north. We'll keep an out for maybe next Friday, though, of seeing just a few light showers in place. But it does bring back a little more of that onshore push, keeping things just slightly cooler. And you can see some very limited amounts of rain expected with that here over the next 7-day stretch. All right, your high temperatures for Saturday. We top off at 68 there in Blaine. We'll see the mid-60s around Orcas Island, upper 60s around Bellingham with a high of 68 in Mount Vernon, 69 in Cedar-Woolley, and seeing more highs for your 4th of July around the upper 60s in Arlington and Osa, with low 70s for Lake Stevens, Monroe, and around Maltby. Now, the closer you get to the water, Camano and Whidbey Island, expecting to see only 60s for highs. Linwood, the same for us there too, but you can see the pickup in some of the high temperatures as we head on into areas such as Seattle and Renton and farther south. That's where we'll get a better chance of seeing those mid to perhaps lower 70s. That will be around for many of us. 75 there in Auburn. We'll top off at about 75 in Tacoma, 74 in Olympia, and 74 also in Tenino, with areas farther south if you're heading down that way here at any point into the day tomorrow. Mid-70s around Castle Rock and Longview. 50s, though, if you're heading out towards parts of the central and the south coast. Just off the coast, though, Forks at 62 and Port Angeles at 63 degrees. And your 7-day forecast. Here it is right here. You can see temperatures will try to climb here as we get ready to head on into the next 3-day stretch. And throughout the holiday weekend, really just a beautiful, beautiful couple of days for us for Saturday and Sunday. We'll top off at 76 on Sunday, and then we'll deal with that heat or very warm conditions here as we get ready to head on into Monday as we top off at 81 there and see the gradual cool down as we get ready to head on into the middle of next week with that chance of showers by next Wednesday. Okay, everyone, will enjoy all the festivities, enjoy the fireworks displays and everything here on your 4th of July and the remainder of the weekend too. And we'll see you again next week.